Ever looked at a skyscraper and wondered how they even built that thing? Well, it's time to meet the titans of the construction world. Machines so massive they're almost unbelievable. We're talking about behemoths that dwarf everything around them, capable of feats of engineering that will blow your mind. In this video, we'll discuss the top 8 massive construction machines on another level. Stick around to number 1 because that's my personal favorite. But before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel Techdopia and press the bell icon for more such videos. Number 8. John Deere 1050K. The John Deere 1050K is a powerful machine designed for the toughest job sites. As one of the largest bulldozers in the world, it's built to handle just about anything. This dozer is not just big, it's also incredibly sturdy and reliable, making it a great choice for heavy-duty work. Weighing in at 43.2 tons, the John Deere 1050K can take on bigger challenges than previous models. It's equipped with a newly designed transmission that allows it to push more material through turns, helping it work faster and more efficiently. This is a significant upgrade that boosts productivity, allowing operators to get more done in less time. One of the standout features of the 1050K is its ability to absorb bumps and rough terrain, thanks to its advanced suspension system. This makes for a smoother ride, which is not just about comfort, it also extends the life of the machine, making it more durable over time. The transmission also helps by reducing vibrations in the cab by up to 75%. So that operators can work in a more comfortable and less jarring environment. Another key feature of the 1050K is its new mechanical angle blade, which has a capacity of 9.5 cubic meters. Inspired by the needs of pipeline work, this blade is designed for demanding applications where precision and power are essential. Number 7. Komatsu D475A8. The Komatsu D475A8 is a true powerhouse in the world of bulldozers. Launched in 2020, it's the second largest dozer from Komatsu, a leading Japanese manufacturer known for its massive and reliable machines. This bulldozer is designed for heavy-duty work and with an operating weight of over 112 tons and an engine that cranks out 1040 horsepower. It's one of the most powerful dozers out there, measuring 11.3 meters in length. The D475A8 is built to handle some of the toughest jobs in large-scale civil construction. Its massive blade, which is 34.4 meters wide, allows it to move enormous amounts of material, making it ideal for big projects where productivity is key. Despite its size and power, this dozer is surprisingly quiet, thanks to its hydraulically driven radiator fan. The fan ensures the engine runs at optimal RPMs and significantly reduces noise, making it a more comfortable machine to operate. The Komatsu D475A8 isn't just about brute strength, it's also packed with technology that enhances efficiency. The dozer features an electronically controlled transmission that ensures smooth and precise movements, especially during long pushes. Additionally, it's equipped with an automatic torque converter lockup system, which helps to maximize power and reduce fuel consumption, making it both powerful and efficient. The first Komatsu D475A8 is already proving its worth, currently in service at a quarry in Estonia. It's a machine built for serious work, offering the reliability and durability that Komatsu is known for. Whether it's massive earth-moving tasks or large-scale construction projects, the D475A8 is designed to get the job done with power, precision, and efficiency. Number 6. Bucyrus RH400. The Bucyrus RH400, one of the world's largest hydraulic excavator, remains an impressive piece of machinery. With an operating weight of 1,080 tons, it's only slightly smaller than its counterpart from Caterpillar, yet still holds its own in heavy-duty mining operations. This colossal machine is powered by 2 robust 16-cylinder engines, the CAT 3516B or the Cummins QSK60 diesel engines, giving it the muscle needed for demanding tasks. Originally manufactured by Bucyrus in the United States, the RH400 has a rich history. It was first introduced as the Terex O&K RH400, named after the O&K Mining Company, a division of Terex. However, the name and ownership changed when Bucyrus acquired the model, and later in 2010, Caterpillar purchased Bucyrus, bringing this mighty excavator into their line of mining equipment. One of the standout features of the Bucyrus RH400 is its tri-power shovel attachment, a unique system that enhances the machine's performance and efficiency. This attachment, combined with the excavator's independent oil cooling system and electronic hydraulic servo control, allows the RH400 to excel in shovel loading and backhoe operations. It's a versatile machine designed to tackle some of the toughest jobs in the mining industry. The RH400 is a front shovel excavator with a bucket capacity of 65.4 cubic yards, capable of moving vast amounts of material in a single scoop. Standing at an imposing 32 feet and 9 inches, this machine is as powerful as it is massive, embodying the strength and engineering prowess that Bucyrus and now Caterpillar are known for. Number 5. Volvo L350H. The Volvo L350H wheel loader perfectly balances power, efficiency, and advanced technology, designed with both operator comfort and environmental responsibility in mind. This machine is a standout choice for heavy construction and material handling tasks. With a bucket capacity that can reach up to 12.3 cubic meters, the L350H can handle large loads, making it a reliable workhorse on any job site. Under the hood, the L350H packs a punch with 532 horsepower, ensuring it can easily tackle even the most demanding tasks. Despite its powerful performance, the loader doesn't compromise on stability or safety. It boasts a max operating weight of 124,120 pounds and a max static tipping load of 75,927 pounds, giving it the strength and durability needed for heavy-duty operations. One of the key features of the L350H is its focus on operator comfort. Volvo has integrated advanced technology to create a smoother, more efficient working experience. The machine is designed to reduce operator fatigue, allowing for longer, more productive shifts. Additionally, its environmentally conscious design reflects Volvo's commitment to sustainability, making it a responsible choice for companies looking to reduce their environmental impact. Number 4. Komatsu WA900. The Komatsu WA900 is truly a standout in the world of heavy equipment, weighing in at an impressive 116 tons. This wheel loader is built for big jobs, with a bucket capacity of 11 cubic meters that can handle massive loads with ease. Under the hood, it's powered by a commanding 900 horsepower engine, making it one of the most powerful machines in its class. But the WA900 isn't just about brute strength. It also sets new standards for operator comfort, precise controls, and overall productivity. Number 3. Bulldozer 75710. The Bulldozer 75710 is the absolute giant of dump trucks and the biggest one you'll find anywhere in the world. Made in Belarus, this colossal truck tips the scales at a mind-blowing 840.5 tons. It's built to haul enormous amounts of material, with a payload capacity of 450 metric tons and a body that can hold 268 cubic meters of material. It's powered by two massive 2,300 horsepower diesel engines, which give it enough power to handle all that weight. Despite its size, it can still hit a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour, which is impressive for such a gigantic machine. Number 2. JLG 1850SJ. The JLG 1850SJ is a real game changer in aerial work platforms. A platform height of 185 feet gives you access to heights equivalent to a 17-story building, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach spots high above the ground. What sets this model apart is its 360-degree continuous swing, which means you can reach in any direction without having to reposition the machine. This feature maximizes your working space and makes maneuvering in tight spots much easier. The JLG 1850SJ is built for versatility. Its axles can retract or extend in about a minute, and its arm can reach up to 80 feet horizontally. This flexibility allows for a wide range of applications and makes tackling various tasks from one location easier. When it comes to capacity, the platform can handle up to 500 pounds without restrictions, which is ample for most tasks. The machine is powered by a robust 99.8 horsepower diesel engine, and it has a fuel capacity of just under 53 gallons, so you can keep going for longer without frequent refueling. Weighing in at 59,900 pounds, the JLG Boom is a substantial piece of equipment built to handle the rigors of tough jobs. It also features 3 selectable steering modes, adding to its maneuverability and ease of use. Manufactured by JLG Industries Inc., the 1850SJ combines impressive reach, flexibility, and strong performance, making it a top choice for high-altitude work. Number 1. ACCO Super Bulldozer. The ACCO Super Bulldozer is an impressive piece of machinery built in Italy and meant for Libya in the early 1980s. This dozer is a giant in the world of heavy equipment and is known for being the largest ever built. It's constructed mainly from Caterpillar parts, which is quite remarkable. The blade is massive, stretching 7 meters wide and standing 2.7 meters high, bigger than anything Caterpillar has ever made. Another key feature is the ripper, which is about 3 meters tall and operated by powerful hydraulic rams. To handle all this heavy-duty work, the ACCO Super Bulldozer is equipped with 2 675 horsepower engines, giving it 1,350 horsepower. This combination of power and size makes the ACCO Super Bulldozer a true beast in the world of bulldozers. It's a machine that showcases what happens when engineering meets ambition, even if it never got to fulfill its original mission. Thanks for learning about these cool construction machines. Which one do you think is the most amazing? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one.